switching between applications, copying data from one place to another. All this can lead to mistakes. In Tabidoo, you not only have all your data in one place, but you can also load specific values from one table to another. This way, you don't have to enter the same data repeatedly. In this video, we'll look at a simple example together and link a customer to their order. In the Customers table, we open the field settings and add a new field. We enter its name and select its data type, Link to Table. Let's select the table to be linked and its fields to be displayed in our table grid. For example, the order number and its value. We save the changes. With linked tables in Tabidoo, we can easily select the order from the lookup on the form. This eliminates the possibility of mistakes that may occur when manually entering the data. Perfect! We've just done a simple linking of records. What if a customer has multiple orders? In that case, we can choose the many-to-many binding. After opening the form, the linked table will appear. We select the customer's orders from it and link them by moving them to the right table. What's more, we can create new orders directly from the form by clicking on the blue plus button. This way we don't have to switch between tables, and we can manage orders directly from the customer form. Many-to-many binding, however, allows us to select the same order for multiple customers at the same time. This can lead to mistakes. For this example, a one-to-many binding would be more suitable, allowing to link an order to only one customer at a time. For this reason, this binding restricts the selection of existing data and allows only new orders to be placed for the customer. Each order is unique and is assigned to only one customer. Did you know that the binding can be viewed from both sides? From Customers table also as orders. Just click on Show Field and Link Table in the Advanced settings. What happens now? If we open the Orders table, we can see the binding from the other side. This means that the one-to-many binding is displayed as many-to-one. In other words, orders are linked to one customer. And final tip: how to change the view of linked records in the grid. How about displaying the sum of linked orders? When selecting fields to display in the grid, click the Choose box. Select Sum from the options. And you're done. I hope you found this video helpful, and if anything isn't clear, feel free to contact us directly. Don't forget to follow us for more and see you in the next video.